have an unboxing video for you today. I just received my Secret Not Secret Kit Cub kit for March. For March, I asked Christina to curate me a kit based upon One Canoe 2's Twilight collection, which I really enjoyed, but you know what? I can't buy everything. So I thought getting a nice small kit from Christina would help with some of that FOMO. And then I would have just a little bit of it. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and then we'll look through it. Okay, so this kit is a slightly larger than the kits I normally order from her. Normally my kits run $25, but I told Christina that she could go up to $40 if she needed to, and well, that's what she did, so that I could get some things like stamps and some other goodies. So I'm going to go ahead and go through the big papers first, and then I have little papers and some other things in my bag I'll show you. So this I know is from One Canoe 2. It has these gorgeous moths on the other side. These are going to be super fun to cut apart. And this is called The Flight of Moths. Super pretty. I love this navy paper. Love this navy paper. I love the branding strip. This is gorgeous. This is from Jen Hadfield's DIY Home, and this is called Buffalo Check. Look at that navy. Woo! I love navy. Navy's like it's my jam. Love it. This is another one from Twilight. This one is called Marble. So it has this pretty marble on this side, and then the other side has these gorgeous leaf fronds on it. She gave me a cut apart sheet because she knows how much I love them. This is also from Twilight. This is called Field Notes. Love lots of fun little pieces here that I can cut apart and use in my traveler's notebook. And then the other side has a really usable pattern as well. Super duper pretty. This one from Twilight is called Twilight Blooms. Love it. It's gorgeous. I love this purpley blue and this corally color. Such a pretty combination. And then we have this really pretty plaid, again with that gorgeous like navy blue and kind of corally color. This one is called Evening Posies. Beautiful floral. This one's kind of screaming to be cut apart and fussy cut. And then the other side is this really light pink kind of gingham pattern that I really like. I am so glad I got this paper. I just saw someone doing an unboxing and they had this paper in their kit, and I was like, oh, please send me this paper, Christina. These are fireflies. Gorgeous fireflies, and they're so cute. I love them. And then the back is this really pretty, just like polka dot. But I have to find like an old picture from when we took our kids camping or something, because these fireflies are amazing. I love them. She sent me the watercolor resist paper, which I love, and I love the idea of kind of coloring in some of this and seeing what I can do to play with it. I think it's a really pretty paper. And then the last one, this is from Pink Fur Studio. This is from the VU collection, and it has that gorgeous navy on the back. Really like this one, and then I really like this one too. So I am super duper excited about these papers because Christina took exactly the colors that I would love from the collection, which was these blues and purples and corals, and she created me a gorgeous kit just based on those, which was absolutely fabulous. I'm so excited about that. Perfect. Gorgeous. A lot of the reason Christina was able to do this, guys, was because she was with me at Creativation when I was pulling stuff out in their booth and going, oh, look at this, oh, look at this, right? So she kind of had an inside scoop, but she's fabulous at curating her kits, so. Gorgeous stickers. Love these stickers. I have these stickers in the gold because if you, One Canoe 2 did Hazelwood, yeah, and they had the same font, but it was in the gold. And this one is like this like gorgeous like printed, it has like a texture on it. It's really cool. So I love those. And then I got stamp. Yay, I got the rotary stamp. Whoop whoop. Okay, really excited about this one. So this has all the dates up until 2025, which means I can retire my Smash one and I have a new one. And then it has these really sweet things like You and Me, Going Places, these little triangles, this moment, making memories. I love, love, love these little bows. Remember this, on this day, our story, capture this, and all the X's. Yay, this is awesome, so cool. I got, this is the rub-on sheet. I like this one, the mason jar, more fireflies. Love the fireflies, they're so cute, so, so, so cute. I cannot wait to play with those. So cute. And then I got some 6x6 papers, which this is my jam. I love 6x6 papers. So we got the marble ones. These are single-sided, so I don't have to try to make decisions about it, right? And here, I'll just lay these out. I think these are all from the One Canoe 2 collection. But I love 6x6 papers. Love, love, love them. Love that cut apart. That's perfect. Perfect size, perfect cut apart. So cute. I love that one. That's beautiful. And in a 6x6 pad, that is in a 6x6 size, this is the perfect size to be able to fussy cut some of these and use them as embellishments. Love that. And then I got the tone on tone with the navy. So wonderful, really awesome collection of 6x6 papers. And then smacking my head on my camera, as always, the doilies. We always get doilies, and these gorgeous, gorgeous Cambridge doilies that I love. They're beautiful. They're the 5-inch ones. And I love them. They're my favorite doilies. And then I got the entire die cut pack. Yay! Yay for die cuts! I absolutely am so excited to play with this collection because I think it's so pretty. Okay, hold on a second here. Pull this out. I have been loving, so I did an unboxing because I'm also working with this Stay Colorful collection from Dear Lizzy, and the Dear Lizzy one has die cuts like this too. These little die cuts that look like stamps, those are fabulous, you guys. Fabulous. I love it. And fireflies and these gorgeous moths. This is really pretty. I love the books. Fabulous. Really very usable images here. The moths are really pretty. I love this teapot with the flowers in it. A pair of scissors. A couple of little banner pieces. Some more moths. A little music. Never say never. And a little mason jar. And then little leaf. It says, so very blessed. This one says, you're a peach. Some florals. A bicycle. I think these colors will be perfect for spring coming up. I don't have, I generally kind of shy away from spring collections because they tend to be very feminine, and I have boys, and I don't know. You know, boys are rough and tumble in the spring. They go outside and chase fireflies. So, I am loving these colors for spring. You are radishing, my dear. I love that. It's so cute. We're going to make a card and send that to my best friend because that's just perfect. Home. Love. This one says, completely and perfectly and incandescently happy. And this is a quote by one of my absolute favorite authors of all time, Jane Austen. Tag along. Some pretty florals. I love these florals. They are very large, though. They're very large, so I'm definitely going to be cutting them. I'll have to cut them in half. Unless I make one like its own page in a traveler's notebook. But those are very, very big. Blessed the Road Home. I like that. That's super cute. And this actually reminds me of some photos that I have that I need to scrapbook. So we might actually be using that one right away. That's awesome. This one says, let your light shine bright. And this one says, feels like home. And I love how these look like postcards with the little, even with the little cancellation on them. That is just awesome. Okay, so let me go ahead and kind of pop these up together here. And then we'll see what's in my little bag of goodies. Oh, I'm in love already. Okay. So this is some trim. This trim is adhesive trim, but look how gorgeous that trim is, you guys. Look how gorgeous. Wow. I love this. So that is going to be really, really, really fun to play with. Love, love, love. And then we have some wood veneer. These are definitely from Twilight as well. Little moth and the flower. This little emblem. Word love. So cute. Some buttons. Fun wood buttons. Very cute. A couple sheets of like cute journaling spots. I love journaling spots. I love dedicated places for writing. And then, look at this. This is a stamp. This is from 49th and Market. It's called Going in Circles. This might be the most gorgeous stamp ever. So this is designed by, this stamp was in my sneak peek. This is designed by okay, I'm gonna totally destroy her name. Gabrielle Polacco. And she used to design for Bo Bunny, and she designed the most gorgeous, gorgeous pages for Bo Bunny. She is really, really, she's like this gorgeous, elegant scrapbooking style about her. So I'm super excited because I flipped this over and I'm like, oh, I know her. I know who that is. So I'm super excited to have one of her stamps. But this stamp is like all these really pretty circles. I'm going to try to turn it so I can read the writing. It says, do the things that make you happy. So take these broken wings and learn to fly again. Oh, okay. I've been binge watching ER. So that reminds me of ER because there's a whole storyline with that song. I'm old. Let's see. This one down here says, you are the sunshine of my life. And see, then there's a little like, love you, beauty. How pretty. Such a cute stamp. I love it. So that is going to be really, really fun to play with. So, I love it, love it, love it. Okay, so that is my March kit. Woohoo! I think it's perfect for a March kit. I love that I have a new date stamp. And I love all the extra goodies in here. Really sweet. Christina knocked it out of the park, like she always does. And I just love it. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So thank you so much for joining me today for this unboxing. And hope to see you again soon with lots of projects. Bye.